What'd you think of the boat?
Glad to be off that boat, man.
What?
I got my sea legs.
It was awesome.
It was cool. Wish the gators could have been a little bigger. Birds a little bigger. Sunrise, sunset could have been bigger.
Oh, I don't think that sunset could have been any bigger.
Welcome back, Edel Campers. I'm Fred.
And I'm Mary. We explore, experience, and educate.
Because it's not too late to believe in Jesus.
That's the truth.
Welcome to Southern Palms Encore RV Resorts. Fred and I are in Eustis, Florida for a few days, and we are using our 1,000 Trails collection to be at this park. We are at Site 331. That is a full hookup at Eustis, Florida, Southern Palms, where you do have 50, 30, and 15 amps at this box, as well as free cable, which is pretty cool. We haven't checked it out because we don't watch a lot of TV, but it's there. Water hookup that you share with the neighbor, and you're pretty close to the sewer, so you don't have to have a lot of hose to run it through. Site 332 is empty. Come on and join us. It's a beautiful day. This is Southern Palms, the office. So as a 1,000 Trails member, you get a VIP card and you get 10% off of any dances or meals that they have to offer. This is an Encore RV resort. Night registration box. A lot going on here. Absolutely love it. Here he comes. I think this has been one of the busiest pools I've seen when I walked by it. And it's kind of cool. It's really close. I think it's the towel people. They're back. Nope, there's shoes under them. Let's just go put our stuff down the hot tub.
Fling, you remember Fling? Well, this is why we brought Fling.
How is it? Feel good? It's cold?
Oh, it's hot.
Oh, well, I'm going to get in there first then.
Southern Palms Encore RV Resorts is on both sides of the road. They do have a crosswalk that you can go over, so just be careful. And I'm going to take you over here to see what we can find on the other side of the park. This is Pine Hall. It has a game room and a kitchen, and it looks like they're pretty busy and holding several activities. So there you have it, the Pines Hall. Check out that fireplace. Very beautiful. It's a cool game room. And behind the Pines section, there is a horseshoe pit. So we're still here at Pines section, and all their bathrooms and bathhouses do require a code to get in. It looks pretty clean in here. There are 3 stalls, 3 sinks, and 3 showers. You can also find courts to play, outside games. This is your laundry room. We will have to check another area out because this one is experiencing technical difficulties. He's a baby. I thought Wally was bigger, but he's a baby. Sorry, Wally. Did I scare ya? Looks like there's several empty spots here. Thought I'd give you just a sample of walking down one of the rules. Or perhaps Fred can speed it up for you. He's good at that. We have a koi pond at one of the annual sites. How cool. Oh my goodness, and they're used to being fed, it looks like. So this is the infamous Southern Palms Sun Hall. It is apparently where they host most of the activities. They have church here on Sunday, coffees on Tuesday, breakfast on Wednesday, lunch on Thursday, dinner on Friday, as well as dances on Saturday. So there's a lot going on here.
We have quite a few things going on, and the guests are just loving it. We've got probably all of our events. We feed breakfast, lunch, and dinner every week. Taco Tuesday every week. We have live bands, usually for anywhere from 200 to 250.
Wow,
And
nice.
we have a free event tonight. It's happy hour, 4 o'clock. We give them hors d'oeuvres and a couple of drink tickets. They can have beer and wine or soda.
Having a fun time playing shuffleboard. So here is the fire ring. They do host Fireside Social on Friday nights from 6 to 8. Go check out the laundry room and sun section. We do have AEDs in here. They do accept CSC cards. The machines are for washing $2.50. We have large capacity machines for $2.50. And your dryers are $2.25. There were over 30 washers and dryers. And just think there's 3 sections, and there is a laundry room in each section. They also have a gym here. Old-fashioned scales. I'm not getting on those. Several little exercise machines. So if you want to come in and work out for a little while, a few little weights. If you have a post office package, they'll call you to have you pick it up at the office. Any package that's not through the United States Post Office is delivered straight to your door. I am headed to the farmer's market. Who knew that it was so close that I could walk to it?
Something help, honey?
Looks good. How much are the tomatoes?
$3. Creamy steak tomatoes.
Jams and cookies and homemade honey. So if you want to come to the farmer's market from Southern Palms, there's an entrance right from the park to the fairground. So they have blocked off the road here at Southern Palms for a classic car cruise. That's a pretty little Ford. I don't know about you, but I love fountains. It's pretty. And there's gators here. We're headed down to the Rusty Anchor.
Well, you think they could clean that thing off?
I know, right? I know, right?
Feels like fishing.
Fred's ready to go on that tour.
So it can't be a gator too close.
I've been a captain since 1996, so you're in good hands. But I've been on this job for 3 weeks. Seriously. This is the hardest boat to dock I've never driven a pontoon boat in my life. You can't see the front, you can't see where it ends. It's water. So we'll get back safe.
Now coming up on the left side of the boat, the yellow buildings, that's the famous Lakeside Inn. That was built in 1883. It's the oldest continuously run hotel in the state. It's on the National Historic Registry. A lot of famous people have stayed there over the years. Calvin Coolidge, Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, Dwight Eisenhower. Even Al Capone and Elvis stayed there. A lot of people go take prom, homecoming pictures there. And people like to stand out there and watch the sunset too.
I think there's an alligator up to the left here.
He's not real.
Is it Disney World?
Check his eyes. Yeah, let's go. Oh,
Oh, there he went.
yeah. Turn it hard to port.
That's your husband, I'm not putting my arm around.
I'll pay you $10 to do it.
All right.
Now she wants to go home with you.
She's like, I'm lucky now. I get the time off.
Yeah, coming up on the left, you'll see all those white birds. They're there about every day this time
Oh, pretty.
of the afternoon. And those are actually little blue herons. Right before the sun goes down, they'll move over to the right side in that grassy area and roost there the rest of the night. Oh yeah, American bald eagle, right up at the top. Everybody look for the white golf ball. Everybody see the eagle? Actually, Florida is number 2 in the nation for eagle population. We're behind Alaska, of course.
Hi, Captain.
Hey, we saw the gator, the sunset, and the bald eagle.
I saw the gator.
Everything just was around us.
I took some spinning.
And I broke the boat.
I ate it. Raw. What this boat needs is a bar. Yeah. Okay, everybody, wave goodbye. Okay, everybody jump off the boat.
Follow you.
After you.
Oh, whiplash.
Bye-bye.
That's cool.
Hey, baby.
Hey,
Where are we going?
wherever the GPS takes me.
Oh my goodness. Well, they have a little bit of everything here in Eustis.
They do.
We have been on a riverboat cruise.
I don't like calling it river.
No, it was fun anyways. A pontoon
What are we
boat.
doing?
We are turning,
Got it, got it.
and now we're gonna go do a splash and bash.
Yeah. Well, you are. They got your outdoor paddle, they got your seaplane adventures, and they got tours. Walk-ups are welcome. It was fairly reasonably priced, too.
Hi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hi, how's it going?
Good.
You married? Yes, I guess I'm snatching a ride with you guys. Yeah. My husband did not want to go up with me. So.
Oh, okay. I'm Monica.
Mary.
And I'm Mary.
And you're the Mary?
And I'm Elisa.
Nice to meet you guys.
You guys ready? Yeah. I'm John, by the way.
Nice to meet you, John.
Where you guys from?
We're from St. Petersburg.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm full-time RV, so we're just everywhere.
Oh, wow.
A vagabond.
Yeah, yes. I haven't had a home in so long I don't know where I'm from. That's a spot, huh?
There's a gator in there. Center of your screen.
And I didn't wear my bathing suit. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, yeah.
Yeah, I figure you can land in the water anyway. Look how cute.
The headsets, make sure once the engine starts running, go ahead and throw the headsets on. Make sure it's strapped or sits flat on top of your head. Make sure the microphone's really close to your mouth.
Do you want to go in next?
Sure.
Can I drive?
No.
Come on.
So does someone push us?
I know, right?
very cool.
So how was it, ladies?
It was awesome. We loved it.
Would you do it again?
I would do it again, yeah.
All right, it's time for the Southern Palms Cellular Service Report. Well, this time out, T-Mobile takes the cake with 76.7 MIPS down. Very nice speed. Number 2, AT&T at 54.5, and Verizon makes a pitiful showing at 4.71 down. But it's a lot of fun things to do out there. Turn that internet off and go have some fun.
I'd like to stay out here for tomorrow.
Okay. I'm sure they can.
That's nice. Yeah, nice. Look at my camera.